Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how to see watched videos right there in your TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your TikTok. Once your TikTok is open, go ahead, tap on this profile option. You will tap on this three horizontal line, go to the settings and privacy, go to account option over here, and now we'll tap on this download your data. So if you go over there, you will be able to find this kind of interface. Tap on this JSON, choose this format, tap on request data. You will be able to request data. If I go to this download data, I have already requested. So as you can see, this was requested on June 2, 2023, and this is already expired, this one as well. So I have already done downloading. It will take a minimum of 3-4 days. I recently got, and you will have up to 4 days till you can download. You will tap on this download option. It will redirect you to your browser. It will open this kind of interface if you will tap on this download option, where you will be logging in, and then you will have to send a code. Once you add the code, you will be able to download your document file from there. As you can see, TikTok data is downloaded. I downloaded beforehand for that purpose. Once you're done downloading, go to this website. I will make sure to leave the link below, and once you're done, tap on this. I have my TikTok data export. Let's go and tap on select file. Now you will go ahead, select a file that you just downloaded here in your mobile. Go ahead, tap on that one. You can see your draft is ready. Tap on this show me option, and then you will simply go ahead, swipe down, and you can see, like, since the day I opened my account, the number of videos that I have watched over here, and this is the watch time as well. So this is the process for you to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys.